That VSS file contains reusable Visio shapes, a stencil library that diagram creators use to build consistent professional diagrams. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and use these Visio Stencil collections. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted VSS files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. VSS files are stencil files, created by Microsoft Visio, containing collections of reusable shapes, masters, and smart connectors for building diagrams. They provide standardized shape libraries for network diagrams, flowcharts, floor plans, and other technical and business diagramming purposes. Microsoft Visio VSS stencil files use the legacy binary Visio format, storing shape master definitions with geometry text, connection points, and custom properties. Each master shape includes ShapeSheet data, defining behavior formulas, and smart connector rules. The proper file association links VSS directly to the Microsoft Visio solution by Microsoft Corporation. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows displays a basic representation, but design-specific features require advanced software. The fastest method is to exhaust all compatible openers. Right-click the VSS file and hit Open With. Use Microsoft Visio if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the handler. If you still can't open the VSS file, it's okay. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the VSS file. First, opening stencils in Visio. Open Microsoft Visio and load the VSS stencil using File, then open Stencil, or by dragging the file onto the Shapes panel. The stencil shapes appear in a dockable panel ready to be dragged onto your drawing canvas. Browse shape names and descriptions to find the components you need. Next, using stencil shapes, drag shapes from the open VSS stencil onto your Visio drawing canvas. Shapes automatically connect when positioned near connectors and snap to grid for alignment. Right-click shapes to edit text properties and formatting. Customize dropped shapes while preserving the original stencil masters unchanged. Finally, creating custom stencils. Create your own VSS stencil by opening a blank stencil in Visio and dragging custom shapes onto it. Edit shape properties, connection points, and custom data fields. Save in VSSX format for compatibility with modern Visio versions or VSS for backward compatibility with older installations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.